Hello YouTube, welcome to Muscle Cars, and today cleanest and vintage muscle cars. Wow, beautiful, big Buddha. Oh, I have big engine. Great. Good ride on the city, on the streets. And listen to this house sound. I think this new school car, not also, but here I think. Whoa. Oh, he did that now. Good burnout, yeah, and I had turbo sound.
How's that, buddy?
Many smoke, clean. Good house sound. And a spider house because it's vodka. Yes, looking like it's vodka. This custom engine and stronger.
Oh, that's the one from the donut shop. That's a Christ.
Yeah, twin turbo, dude. Clean. Oh, Sarah. Ooh. Good start. Oh, Mustang on the circle. Oh, old school and new school. Oh, this cleanest muscle car, but dreams not for this style, I think. What do you think? Write in comments. Custom brakes. Oh, it's fast. Fast racing. Ooh, green. Can it lift it and this gesture style? Oh, straight fiber house, yeah, looking like a gesture. Oh, get ready to good start. Do it.
Wow. 562.
Oh, 5 seconds. 5 seconds, quarter mile. Looking like a luggage. Whoa. Unbelievable time. Oh, Muskelgar meat. Muskelgar live. Old school cherry drive.
Wind has rolled down. Trying not to kill my neighbor.
Oh. Right on the lemons on the hooves.
Trying not to kill the dog.
It's nostalgic time.
This is our local vocational school up here where most of the kids learn the trade up here from my buddy Greg. This is where Shannon went to school. He got out of high school. He's been there working at the shop with me now for over 20 years. One of my best friends. His son came to work with us and has made a huge difference. He does not get enough credit for what he does.
Looking good. Good ride. Thank you for this ride. Oh, Dynamite! That's the lady. Whoa. 500 horsepower. Hot tires for good start. Oh, drag with motorcycle. Oh, good luck. Crown wheels looking like a Miami style. Beautiful tomato. Ooh, mother time. Clean for old school Chevy meat. Okay, thank you for watching. Click like if you like and subscribe. Bye bye.